guys, Vlogmas day. Not sure what day it is, but we came to Walmart. We've been running errands all morning. I had to do my returns to the post office, the Just Fab, and the camera. We went to Best Buy earlier too, and I forgot to vlog because as soon as the guy locked eyes with me, he wanted to chew my ear off about a camera. I was like, bro, I'm not spending $1,200 on a vlogging camera. Not gonna happen. So right now we're at Walmart. We're trying to find the kids holiday sweaters for something that we're doing soon, but no luck. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna look in the little kids section for Denver to see what the. So we might have found something for Leia. This is detachable.
Super cute.
Really cute. Faux fur, of course, and it gives you a legging, a festive legging, which she'll wear that in summer. I know, Leia. So, oh, they also have a white one on the other side, white vest. That is a no-go. No. No. Okay. Well, maybe. We have one, nothing for Callie and Taylor. So they have this for Denver, but this size is too small. It says 0 to 3. He needs at least a 12-month. And that's kind of cute. Not really my zhuzh, but holiday spirit. Meh. I don't know why everything has to have something on it. That would have been cute without that. You know? Maybe I'll have to look on Amazon. See if I can get it quick. Making this. I was trying to show it. It's okay. So this is the dish that I want to make. It's from Pickled Plum. It's called Vegan TanTanMen. TanTanMen. It's like ramen. However you want to say it. We grew up saying ramen noodles. Right?
Really?
Yeah, ramen noodles, not ramen.
Yeah. We say
Ramen, yeah. So I'm going to try to make this. I want to say I have everything right now in the pot. I have garlic and onion going. I think I was supposed to have scallion, but I didn't have scallion, so I used.
Smells good.
What are those called? Oh gosh, I see them right now. Or did I use scallion? I don't know, but it's an onion. I used an onion, and then I just had to saute this together with the bell peppers. I kind of kept them a little chunkier, so it has a bit more of a bite. And when I cook, I use a garbage bowl or something to collect everything. I learned that trick from Rachel Ray some years ago. Because you guys know Rachel Ray is my favorite person ever. It'd be dope if she turned vegan. But, you know. So, I just have all that in a pot. I'm going to have it sauteing. We're supposed to have regular ramen noodles with it, but I went to the store today and I picked this up. These are called Taiwanese flat noodles, and they're vegan. It's only made with wheat flour, water, salt, cornstarch. That's really about it. This thing keeps timing out on me. I don't know what's going on. I wonder if something's wrong with my tablet. You think, babe? I don't know, but anywho, this thing says, the package says, stir gently and cook for 3 minutes. So instead of having ramen noodle at the bottom, we're going to have that. I want to try that out because we've made ramen, whatever, before at home. I do need to, oh, and I actually got this from the Moms Meat Wow Summit. They were giving out products to try, and this is a cooking oil. The guy said it's really, really good for you. It is 100% red palm fruit oil, but he was saying that they harvest this one differently than regular palm. Do I look crazy? I look like regular oil. It's alright, I don't really care. Okay, so this is what the vegan TanTanMen. Oh, this is what the vegan TanTanMen looks like when it's all done. I didn't use mushrooms, I just used some crumbles. So it's crumbles, green bell pepper, there's onions, and there's also garlic. And then I found this vegan deep fried soybean cakes. I just wanted to give this a try. The people in the store said it was really good, and the ingredients are everything that you can read, so not too bad. So mine seems really saucy. David might need a little more sauce in his. And then this is that noodle. This is not a ramen noodle or ramen noodle, however you guys want to say it. This is that noodle that I showed you earlier. So we just wanted to give it a try. Something a little different. Ooh. Ooh, babe. This looks good.
I'm excited.
Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Oh, if I can get it.
I'm a little jealous. It's bomb, right?
This is mad good. Like, got the camera. We gotta go.